Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Maybe I need to seek some professional help. A few months ago, I put a brand new radiator in this car, and for some reason, I just can't get it to close. Seems like the radiator is a bit taller than the other one. I just can't get it to close. I went ahead and I tried to modify the thing under here, but it's not working. And I also ordered some wood pins, but before I put wood pins in the bonnet, I need to go check Bobby to see if Bobby can sort this out before I start cutting into this wood. So yeah, let's go check Bobby. This is actually my first time driving the car since I installed the radiator. Seems to be cooling quite fine. But one thing with this car, there are a few things with the car that makes the car not complete as yet. For one, steering has a lot of play in it, and I bought the part for it, but I just haven't installed it as yet. So I have that part. I can turn the steering and nothing happens. Then the next thing is I think the cable needs to adjust because I have to be shifting manually, which I don't mind because all my manual cars are actually not working right now. So I use this as a manual. So this car has the 2010 C-Class Mercedes suspension on it, and it rides a bit on the firmer side, but it's fine. As you can see, guys, nothing happens. Yeah, man. So I have to gear down, gear up. I think the brakes need to be bled a little bit more. Kind of feels squishy. So, you know, yeah, so the car is unfinished, but where it is right now, I'm quite comfortable to drive it because I have a lot of projects working on. So instead of investing any more money in this car right now, you know, I'd rather to just go run the red light. Yeah, instead of investing any more money in this right now, I'll just drive it like this for now, enjoy it. And like I said, you know, I'll sell this car if somebody, you know, interested in it. I'm not going to run behind anybody and try to sell it. It's not like it's urgent. It's just I'll consider selling it if somebody interested. But it's driving fine, you know, I like it. The AC is blowing fine. Jamaica is hot right now and I'm pretty cool. I'm chilling right now, pretty cool. So yeah, let's hope Bobby can sort out this. If he can't sort it out, I have to go and cut into it. So Bobby, I work on a convertible. You work on a convertible Jetta. Yo guys, you see what the man can do? Yo, the man can bring back anything. He can just bring back 2 tires, come get the man and then get a full car. So lock it does that's how far as it can go. Yeah, that's a safety thing, I don't know all it. But I cut off the smooth part off right. Yeah, so. You can like it a buck, you know, so. But I don't know if you're ready to take and go down the lower, Bobby. You have to lift up the so.
Yeah, man, I think I know you want.
Yeah, Bobby, I too. What pin me in a plan to put in night, you know? But the bonnet have a cut.
Why this thing?
That's a week. So I now support that you ready, huh?
No, I probably don't make a bend.
Nah, but go down here, I have to go hold it something. I'm going to tell you, I cut off the groove, man. I have to go push in there. So that, you know, like. So like you want, like, you know.
Can I ease it upside? Ease it upside.
Alright, eh? Cut, me no cut nothing, me just put it in the radiator.
Oh.
The other one right now look like it sit a little lower, the factory one. Sit a little lower. That's all. But yeah, me cut off yourself. I think I did a buck. Alright guys, so while Bobby working on that, let me tell you my plans. This my bracket is ready to make screw up with that. The next one I have to build a little bracket on it. Hold it so. So what happened, guys? The old radiator had a bracket that bolts to this part, so it used to keep this stable. So now that there's no bracket, when the bonnet trying to close, it keep pushing down like this. So that's why it's not closing. So now Bobby's gonna put a bracket here onto this so it doesn't move. Moment of truth, Bobby.
Why hi?
There's something I want to push in. If that not going now, go like. Yeah, come again. I just shake it and it. As I said, I cut off the little part of it, make it close properly. It's a buck on it. It's a buck on the lip. The lip, that's how I want to cut out. Oh, that's why I made it bend that.
Straight neat because he's a man.
Yeah, straighten up everything.
But if you sit them leaves and stuff, it could be like occupational loss, I didn't call it.
Clear it now. Bonnet lock. But now want me back.
Give me work.
Yeah, man, yeah. Now want me back. So guys, I don't have to cut up the bonnet anymore. It good
You
now.
go through all of that?
Yeah, I'm gonna bore 2 hole and put in some pin in it, man.
Oh,
Hold it in, yeah.
No man, nothing to beat
Oh,
the
good
original.
now.
Look, stay or keep original look.
Yeah.
Alright,
Alright,
that's
Bobby
it.
Socks, that's it. That is it. Alright. I go, yo, son, to what, yeah, man. I go up.
Oh, yeah,
Later. Man, standing up outside, it's crazy. This place is so hot. Feel good to be back in the AC. Oh my god. But yeah, guys, that was easy. That's why I have to go to the professionals a lot of times. Enough time I rep on the car, them I don't know what I'm doing, you know, but I'm just doing what I can. And with the steering, I need to bring the car one day to Bobby, let him change the bushings in the steering, so it can. So before I go, guys, one of the best feelings is when you order your parts and them reach. So I ordered a dipstick for the Chevelle, and it's here. So this is a dipstick for the Chevelle, and I got some more parts here. I'm not sure what these are. I don't know if it's even parts, but my name is on it. What else did I order? Oh, these are the wiper blades for the Chevelle. Man! The wiper blades are here, guys. Man, parts just coming in. What's this? Is mine? No, this is for the wife. That's for the wife. So I got wiper blades and I got the dipstick. Yeah, we have a link roll on. That car coming home this weekend.